Hello everybody, and today we'll be unboxing the April 2020 Miraculous Ladybug Zag box, and we'll get right into it. I already opened it, and let's take a first look. And right on top I see the Kwame keychains, the new ones. This is Waze. There he is. What do we have here? All the Kwame's, and it's a postcard. We'll save that for later. Here we have some caramel candies. And it looks like there's a theme, not a Waze shirt. I'll take it out in just a second. Here it is out of the packaging. It is Waze's, the Waze Turtle Miraculous. It says shell on. Next we'll be going into the box. This one has yellow around it, so maybe Queen Bee. And it looks like to be the Miraculous for Waze, the transformed one. So this is a close look of the detail. It's metal, has Zag on the back. It has what seems to be this spongy, stretchy cord. And this is how you tie it. And this is how it looks put on. I'm not a big fan of these two strings sticking out the side, but it looks nice either way. And that is everything we got for April's Zag box. And this is the medium one, the larger one. So we have a postcard, a Waze keychain, Cat Noir caramel candy, the shell on shirt, and the bracelet.